Take a ride in 2012
Galant. Galant offers comfort and quality at every level, boasting extra touches that don't cost any extra. It's not just the roomy plush interior that makes driving Galant a pleasure. It is constructed to make your experience on the road exceptional
and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, CD player, power windows, electronic stability control. Your new ride is just a phone call away.